When we discuss about the classification of textile fibers, we classify textile fibers in different classes like natural fibers, man-made fibers, regenerated fibers, protein fibers, cellulosic fibers, animal fibers, vegetable fibers. Today we will discuss about the regenerated fibers. We can also say semi-synthetic fibers are man-made cellulosic fibers. Mostly we're confused about the terminology. What is difference between regenerated fibers and some semi-synthetic fibers and man-made cellulosic fibers. These are almost the same terminology or same types. Regenerated cellulosic fibers, also known as a viscose fiber, are the type of man-made or semi-synthetic fibers that are derived from cellulose, which is naturally occurring polymer found in plants. So the main source of these fibers is these fibers are derived from cellulose, which is naturally occurring polymer found in plants. These fibers can be classified into few different categories based on the manufacturing process and properties. First is viscose rayon. These fibers are made by dissolving wood pulp or cotton linter in a solution of sodium hydroxide or and carbon disulfide and then extruding the solution from spinner to form fibers. The, they are known for their softness, droppability, and ability to absorb the moisture. So the main process of these fiber is they are made by dissolving wood pulp in solution of sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide. This is the process of viscose rayon fiber. Second is cuprammonium rayon fibers. These fibers are made by dissolving the wood pulp or cotton linter in a solution of copper salts and ammonium hydroxide and then extruding the solution through a spinner to form the fibers. They are known for their high strength, resistance to shrinkage and wrinkling. So the difference of both these fiber is first viscose rayon they have a made dissolving pulp. They are also cuprammonium rayon. They are also made by dissolving wood pulp. But the solution difference is solution or process. Viscose rayon is sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide, while cuprammonium is copper sulfate, copper salt, and ammonium hydroxide. So this is the difference. Next is modal fiber. Modal, these fibers are made by dissolving the peach tree pulp in a solution of sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide and then extruding the solution through the spinner to form the fiber. They are known for their softness, droppability and moisture wicking properties. Modal fiber have the same solution or the same process as like viscose rayon because sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide is used. In the same case, modal sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide is used. But the difference is in the case of viscose rayon, wood pulp or cotton linter, while in the case of modal, dissolving the beech tree pulp. So this is the difference. But modal fibers are Softness and viscose are also softness, ability to absorb moisture, and these are the manufacturing process of viscose, modal, and cuproammonium rayon. Further, the most commonly used fiber is live cell fibers. These fibers are made by dissolving wood pulp in a solution of amine oxide and then extruding the solution through spinner to form the fibers. They are known for their high strength, excellent drapability, and moisture wicking properties. We see in the case of live cell, dissolving wood pulp in solution of amine oxide. Here the solution is different, chemical process is different. So they have high strength, excellent drapability, and moisture wicking properties. We can review the summarize the fibers in viscose wood pulp and sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide in ammonium rayon, copper salt and ammonium hydroxide is used in case of modal. Modal same solution are the same chemical, sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide is used, but the difference is the dissolving wood pulp is peach tree. While in the live cell case, wood pulp is the same, but the solution is amine oxide is used and they have high strength. This was the overview of these fibers. They are known as a regenerated fibers, semi-synthetic fibers, or man-made cellulosic fibers. These fibers are considered semi-synthetic because they are derived from natural raw materials. Natural raw materials are like a wood pulp but are chemically processed to create a fibers. So this is why these are known as the regenerated, semi-synthetic, or man-made cellulosic fibers. I hope by this lecture your concept about the fibers terminologies like these terminologies regenerated, semi-synthetic and man-made cellulosic would be very clear. And we have also discussed about the different processes or different fiber like viscose rayon, cuproammonium rayon, modal fibers, and lyocell. See you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.